Normally on Earth Day, Water Day or Environment Day, we do a lot of activities like quizzes, painting contest, elocution contest, etc. This time we thought of doing a different program on this Earth Day, that is making a terrarium. Now let us move to the making of a terrarium. Do you know what is a terrarium? A terrarium is usually a sealable glass container containing soil and plants and can be opened for maintenance to access the plants inside. However, terraria can also be opened to the atmosphere rather than being sealed. Terraria are often kept as decorative or ornamental items. Closed terraria create a unique environment for plant growth as the transparent walls allow for both heat and light to enter the terrarium. Now let us see a terrarium which we have made in our regional science center. See how beautiful it is. We have used different materials like beautiful pebbles, different variety of plants and some decorative items too. You can add more decorative items to make it more appealing. Now let us see how to make a terrarium. See the materials required to make a terrarium. You can see moss plants, potting mixture, activated charcoal, pebbles and a glass container. In this terrarium, we are using pteridophyte plants like Selaginella, small flowering plants like nerve plant and dragon tongue plant is also used. Now let us see how to make a tropical or closed terrarium. You can see the glass container. We can open and close it. So now I am opening it for filling the pebbles. You can use different types of pebbles. Different colored pebbles are available in the market. You have to be very careful. It's a glass container, so we have to slowly add the pebbles. So we are filling the base layer with pebbles. After filling the base layer with pebbles, we have to add some activated charcoal. This is for absorbing excess water. So now we are adding some activated charcoal powder. You can use a spoon for adding it. Above the charcoal layer, add some potting mixture. So now we are adding potting mixture above the charcoal layer. Now we have to cover this layer with moss plants. Now I am adding moss over this layer. I am using a forceps for adding it. These are small pieces, so I am using a small forceps for adding the moss layer over the potting mixture. You have to cover that surface neatly with moss. See the plants. Next step is fixing the plants over the moss layer. So slowly take the plants one by one and fix the plants over this moss layer. Now I am planting the Selaginella plants. To make it firm, now I am adding some more potting mixture over it. Now I am taking the pteridophyte and planting it in the glass container. Do it carefully using a forceps. Now I am carefully planting the pteridophyte using the forceps. You have to arrange it carefully beneath the moss layer. Again adding some potting mixture. Now I am adding dragon tank plant. Again very carefully using the forceps and keeping it beneath the moss layer. Now we can add a nerve plant like Tittonia. So now I am placing Tittonia inside the glass container. Again carefully fixing it using the forceps beneath the moss layer. Now we have completed fixing the plants. Now we can add some more moss layer for making the layer uniform. Now the main part of the terrarium is over. Now it's time for adding some decorative items. Now I am adding some white stones. You can add different colored stones also. Different colored stones are available in the local nurseries. If you want, you can add pebbles also for making it more beautiful. You have to be very careful while fixing. You should not damage the plants. Now I am adding some seashells for making it more beautiful. According to your wish, you can add different types of decorative items or small toys also. Again adding some seashells. So here we have used white stone and some seashells for giving it a natural look. Depending upon your terrarium, you can add different decorative items. Finally, I am misting it with a sprayer. You can use a small sprayer. We need to mist the plants occasionally for making them lively. Now I am using a brush for cleaning inside the container. You can remove excess water or dirt inside the container using a paintbrush. Now our terrarium is ready. We are closing the lid. This is a type of closed terrarium. You can see different materials that we used in our terrarium. You can see different types of plants, pebbles, decorative items. According to your creativity, you can add some more decorative items to make it more beautiful. You can easily make this kind of terrarium within a budget of 1000 rupees. This glass container costs about 750 rupees in our local nursery. We collected some stones from aquarium shops. Most of the plants were collected from our garden itself. We have seen how to make a closed terrarium. Now we will see how to make an open terrarium. In open terrarium, we use more dry plants like cactus. I hope all of you have enjoyed the demonstration of making a terrarium. Now you can try making a terrarium at your home. You can also give this to your friends and relatives. Okay, thank you all.